Good morning. Today I'm going to give you a lesson on how to sharpen knives whilst I'm at work. Yes. See, I'm at work. I'm supposed to be working. But I'm doing my other job. These are my blades. Now I've already done a bit of sharpening. I've used this $10 sharpening stone with a bit of oil. That's an oil stone. Because I bought this one from Amazon for $50, but it's shit. So the $10 one works magically, as you'll soon see. So now I'm just finishing off with my 6000 grit, because I've done all these already on the 400 grit, 200, 400, 600 and 1000. More water. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I've done this exact same method with the oil stone, just to get the burr on the edges and make it pretty sharp. And now I'm just finishing it off with this Amazon $50 stone. My recommendation, don't buy this Amazon stone. We'll see how it finishes the knives off anyway. And then just finish off with 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Ah! My hands on a chalkboard, motherfucker. Oh, that was fucked. Yeah, don't get this stone, this stone's fucked. Motherfucker. It's just the composite's too fucking soft. See, I've already, this is fucking brand new, and I've already chipped here, and just sliced into it. Motherfucker, that's the worst feeling in the world. Cunt. Put more water on this asshole. Oh, I'm still fucking cringing from that motherfucker. Next big knife. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Stop moving, you fuck. 2, 3. Yeah. 2, 3. So if you love your stabbers like me, keep them fucking sharp, you can't. Finish 1 and 1. There you go. Now for the little babies. I've got my Civivi Wyvern, the Black Dragon. There's just started doing this, mind you. So this is literally my second time sharpening knives. So I'll show you how to sharpen and get them. And you tell me if it's not bad for a fucking novice, you can't. Make sure no one's coming. No customers, that is. Nearly did it again. Fuck this fucking soft stone. Anyway, we'll see how sharp it comes. Pretty sure it's going to be razor. Now for the lucky last. My Browning. This is the first knife I bought. Love this little blade. 20 bucks, mate. $17.95 to be exact, you cunt. Needs more water. Back to work. Yeah, I am sick. I like knives. And I don't know, you know, just stabby stab. It's my new hobby. If I can't drink, I can stab. No more drinking. I'm gonna be a stabber. Stabby stab. One. Okay, let's see how I went on my first time. Fuck, we're customers. First time I ever laid on you. Okay, the tip of this one isn't that sharp, but man, that's a fucking knife, you cunt. Thought it'd be a bit sharper than that, to be honest. Suck a dick. Browning stabber. Oh, go with the dick. Okay. It was sharper before I used this fucking thing here. Seriously. Savivi. Stabber. It's a good stabber. It's a nice looking blade too. It's sharper the other time. Just give me a sec. Go fuck your mother, you cunt. Still pretty sharp. Not bad for the first time, you fucking asshole. Eat a dick, I'll just get better. Or I'll stab ya. With my big stabber. My big stabber. I hope you enjoy Sharpening 101 with Sam, the Knife Man.